Morning I AM Affirmations to be debt-free. I am in command of my money. I am naturally disciplined with my money. I am on top of my finances. I am grateful all of my financial worries and debts are gone. I am worthy of being debt-free. I am reducing my debt by being organized and in control. I am grateful the elimination of debt is important to me. I am grateful I always have enough money to pay for my debts and provide for all my needs. My credit card balances are clear. I am grateful I only spend the amount of money I have budgeted for. I am a money magnet. I am grateful my money consciousness is always increasing. I am thoughtful in my spending decisions. I am grateful each day I am attracting more money into my life. I am enjoying being debt-free. I am worthy of a solid financial foundation. I am grateful I have the mindset and tools to manage money and create lasting wealth. I am looking at my debt and finances with the eyes of love. I am grateful I know where my money is going at all times. I am handling my finances with care and attention. I am grateful money is attracted to me and keeps showing up in increasing amounts. I am enjoying the feeling of being debt-free. I am embodying a strong mindset to remain debt-free and have excellent money habits. I am a money magnet that attracts lucrative opportunities and avalanches of money. I am grateful my debts are limited, but my money is unlimited. I am abundant and prosperous. I am open to receiving money. I am releasing all resistance of attracting money and being debt-free. I am grateful my finances are improving beyond my wildest dreams. I am achieving my goal of being debt-free. I am up-leveling my thoughts about money, financial freedom, and generational wealth. I am gracefully and joyfully debt-free. I am inviting immense prosperity into my life now. I am aligned with the energy of abundance and financial freedom. I am financially free. I am deserving of being debt-free. I am more than my debt. I am worthy of being debt-free. Morning I AM Affirmations to be debt-free. I am in command of my money. I am naturally disciplined with my money. I am on top of my finances. I am grateful all of my financial worries and debts are gone. I am worthy of being debt-free. I am reducing my debt by being organized and in control. I am grateful the elimination of debt is important